And the country, as I said, this works worldwide. You can choose your country from this. Download this free GIF, post to, go out with your fam and friends. Get relaxed by listening to nature and relaxation on YouTube. Go to a restaurant, enjoy yourself, sleep, come back and collect your earnings. Stay tuned to learn more. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said guys, let's jump into my laptop. Okay, today's video is about GIFs. Actually, what is a GIF? GIF, which stands for Graphic Interchange Format, in a file that supports static and animated images. They can be snippets of a movie or shows something that you make yourself. They are soundless videos that usually loop and flash for a few seconds. Alright guys, so I'm sure you have heard about this. So let's see some GIFs actually. You must be seeing these on social media. Coming down to the first step, you should go to giphy.com. So there are loads of GIFs out here, several kinds of GIFs as you can see. So do you need to upload these GIFs to get paid, or do you have to create these GIFs? Absolutely no. I'm telling you, do not skip a minute of this video because I'm gonna show you the step-by-step strategy to make a passive income. So the step number 1 will be come to giphy.com. And step number 2, you can either search from this Giphy site or just Google followers, likes, engagements. So you just type followers and you get a ton of followers GIFs out here. So just choose one according to your preference. I'll just go with this one. Right click, save image as, and save it. Step number 3, go to the website called EClincher. EClincher.com. As they say, this is a top-ranked social media management platform. Franchises, small and medium businesses, enterprises, agencies, that's you, yeah, that's you. Integrated with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, TikTok, and so on. As you can see, this is a regular tool that everybody uses to grow their social media accounts automatically, because EClincher will grow their social media accounts. Simple. Why EClincher? Guaranteed to boost your social media ROI and grow your reach. Agile team with cutting edge technology and die-hard support team 24/7, continuously adding value and features so you can better execute your strategy. And it has featured in Daily Herald, Forbes, ABC, and in other big media sources. So basically, EClincher helps everyone to grow their social media platforms. So it helps them make some sales, get followers, return on investment, engagements, and so on. So before coming down to the next step, make sure you like this video and click the subscribe button if you like this kind of content. So you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and go to partner/affiliate. In order to make money with EClincher and with the GIF you downloaded, you need to sign up for their affiliate program. See, this is cool. In 2020, over 3.6 billion people were using social media worldwide, a number projected to increase to almost 4.41 billion in 2025. Oh my gosh. So that's more than half of the world, and you can earn up to $100 per paid EClincher subscription when a client uses your link to subscribe. See how cool is that? 1 click $100, 2 clicks $200, 20 clicks $2,000, 200 clicks $20,000. The next step is to apply here. So get through this and you should enter your email, first name, last name, website, the last step. That's right, that's the website we are going to use use, so keep it blank out here. Just fill out others, and the website, of course, you can type the one we use at the end of this video. Company name, don't bother about it. If you have a company, write down that name. If not, leave it a blank. And the country, as I said, this works worldwide. You can choose your country from this. And your address, phone number, use a password. If you have Instagram, Facebook, just put the URL. If you don't have them, forget about it. You don't need to type those URLs. And you should agree to the affiliate program and fill the captcha and sign up. I'm not signing up here because I have an account and I have my affiliate link. You sign up, get your affiliate link, and let's go to the next step. People from all around the world uses social media, and now EClincher is gonna help them grow their social media. The next step is to drive traffic to your affiliate link. How are we gonna do that? This is a strategy. Go to Imgur. According to SimilarWeb, gets 243.49 million views per month. So you are gonna target the 243.5 million people. Imagine you get 100 people from this 243.5 million people. 100 into 100, $10,000 per month. Is it enough for you? $10,000. The next step, you need to sign up to Imgur. It's 100% free to sign up. You can sign up from your Google, Apple, Twitter, Facebook, or Yahoo accounts. So we will just sign up from Google. Publish the GIF you downloaded to this new post. Drop images here. Just choose photo or video. And it's gonna upload this and give you a post an eye-catchy title. I'm just typing a title: grow and manage all your social media at one place, and add a description. It should be a call to action. When you are doing this, when you're adding the description, make sure you add an eye-catchy description that will make the viewer click on the link. And paste your affiliate link here. And before you post this, make sure you add tags. You can add Instagram, Facebook, influencer, followers, and many more. Make sure you add the tags according to what you post. Then go ahead and do the final click. There you go. Now all that 240 billion people can see your post. It's just a GIF you downloaded. You can see the view count here. Hopefully many of them will click on this link and buy the subscription. So we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe for videos every day. And make sure you hit the bell icon to get a notification whenever a video pops up. Last but not least, learn how my friend Matt Pa run 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them. The link is down in the description. You should go through to make some real good money. As always, thank you for watching. So guys, don't forget to comment the questions down below, and I'm trying my best to answer them when I get a time. And I also have 2 passive income videos of mine in your screen right now. You can check those out as well. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos.